Two superpowers, one region, and Southeast Asia is caught in the middle. China's building roads, ports, and railways across Asia with their Belt and Road Initiative. Trillions of dollars, massive influence. But there's a problem. The United States isn't happy about it. Southeast Asian nations face an impossible choice. China offers quick money for infrastructure they desperately need. But those loans come with strings attached. Debt, dependency, loss of control. Meanwhile, America's pushing back with their own Indo-Pacific strategy. Here's what nobody's talking about. These countries don't want to pick sides. They're playing both fields, taking Chinese money for ports and railways while maintaining security ties with the US. It's called strategic hedging, and it's brilliant, but dangerous. Because when two giants fight, the little guy gets crushed. Southeast Asia accounts for 650 million people. Massive economic potential. But they're walking a tightrope. One wrong move, and they fall into either China's debt trap or America's crosshairs. The real question isn't, can they navigate this? It's who will blink first. China needs these trade routes. America needs to maintain influence. And Southeast Asia? They just need to survive. The new Silk Road isn't about roads. It's about power. And everyone's watching. What would you do in their position? Take the money and risk dependency? Or play it safe and miss out? Drop your thoughts below. And if you want to understand how global power really works, hit subscribe.